Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know today is a little different, but, I got birds. Yeah. Today we're not doing a face reveal, because, I'll save that to later. The blue one is called Waves, and then this one right over here, he's called Sky. And yeah, I'll try to see if he's talking to each other, because that happened once and it's probably gonna happen again. Alright, now they're eating, but yeah. So this is the cage. We haven't got a lot of stuff so far, it's just the cage, and we got a ball. Where's the other one? The one right over there. Yeah, we just got it today, but it's pretty sick. The blue one is really wild. It keeps on attacking us. Not attacking us, but when we let him out of the cage, he's just biting us when we try to get him back into the cage. And the other white one with other colors on it is chill. He has nothing wrong. Yeah. I'm pretty happy because the white one, it already was eating, and the blue one, it just started eating. And right now, because he saw the other one follow him. So yeah. And there will probably be a second part to this video, but it'll be when we change the cage a little bit, add some toys and do some stuff to it. So yeah, this is the before. Yeah. Yeah.